Hi there, I'm John Cooper. I am a brain injury attorney here at Cooper Hurley Injury Lawyers. Brain injury cases are one of the most important topics in injury law these days, and I have done a lot of work on these cases and I've studied a lot of the literature. The brain is an incredible thing that is just now being understood by doctors and scientists. And so you have lots of books like this heavy, huge tome I have in my hands here that I've actually read the majority of, and it talks about brain injuries and the effects they can have on folks. It's really hard to imagine, unless you have a loved one who's been hurt this way or been in the military, about the devastating effects of what can happen in a regular accident, a truck accident, a car accident, a motorcycle accident, and it has not only broken bones, but this traumatic brain injury component. The bones will typically heal after a surgery, but the traumatic brain injury often stays with you on a permanent basis and can have devastating effects on the person's life. It can make it impossible for them to go back to their old job. It can cause them to have psychological effects like depression or post-traumatic stress disorder. It can cause all kinds of sleep problems, which is a surprising thing, but it's really, really devastating because the person's tired all the time and they're fatigued. And then what you might imagine is cognitive or memory problems. They can't focus. They can't make decisions. They get lost in their own home. They find that they've left the stove on and maybe have almost burned down their apartment. These are very real things that happen to folks who suffer traumatic brain injuries. If you or a loved one has had this kind of injury and it was not your fault, please let us know. We would love to tell you more about this. It's really an expertise that we're developing and continues to develop, and you need an experienced attorney who knows about TBI to help you in this difficult situation.